So Cbme autoclave can be asked as a uh, 5 marks question. What is autoclave? So sterilization is effective at 100 degrees centigrades. And what is the principle of autoclave? It's just like pressure cooker, what you use in your kitchen. It's economical and sterilizes instruments, everything. Autoclave is supposed to be the most important part and parcel of CSST, most commonly used after the clean oxide sterilizer. So when water boils at 100 degrees under pressure, the pressure increases. The temperature usually employed in autoclave is 121 degrees for 15 minutes pound and under 15 pounds, 15 to 20 minutes. It destroys all the microorganism, including spores. What is sterilization? Definition of sterilization: the destroying microorganism, including spores. So very important part is this thing in sterilization. The sample of autoclave is vertical, horizontal, various kinds of autoclaves, various models are. On top of that, there are water screws and especially a screw to keep the thermometer accurate. And articles are sterilized must be packed with brown paper, and a plug should be put for the sterilization of liquid media. It is coast and water. You should see that first important thing is there should be enough water. And boiling, after boiling, it releases steam. Steam gets into the chamber, and we should see that is 15 pound pressure. Once it touches 15 pound pressure, hold for 20 minutes. Then you 15 minutes, and after that heating. The autoclave is stopped, allowed to cool once. There is automatic um, coolers are also available, but you should not open when the pressure is high because spillage takes place. And all culture medias, articles, all the things, rubber catheters, gloves, everything is sterilized. Hospital huge autoclaves. Advantages: it is a penetrative power. Steam has got a penetrative power and it gives a lot of heat after condensation. Now, various types of autoclaves is used. Simple example is pressure cooker, which you prepare in the house for preparation of rice. Now, the next is hypersensitivity reaction. Classification by Gel and Co. Remember the mnemonic acid, anaphylaxis, cytolytic and cytotoxic, uh, immune, immune complex, and fourth one is delayed hypersensitivity. Now, one more has been added, that is delayed hypersensitivity reaction. So hypersensitivity is as it's an opposite exaggerated immune response towards already sensitized antigen is called hypersensitivity. Type 1 is allergy and anaphylaxis, atopy. Type 2 is cytolytic cytotoxic. Type 3 is immune complex. Type 4 is delayed hypersensitivity reaction. Type 1 is also known as immediate anaphylaxis. The the reaction may be urticaria, eczema, conjunctivitis, nasopharynx, rhinitis, bronchopulmonary tissue, asthma, gastroenteritis reaction can be minor when it leads to death. Reaction occurs with routine to 20 minutes to already sensitized. Immediate hypersensitivity. Reaction takes place on reagent antibody. The antibody responsible for hypersensitivity reaction is IgE. The cellular component in this hypersensitivity is mast cells. The IgE is present on the mast cells. Releases phosphoactive ions and modified platelets, eosinophils, and biopsy of reaction demonstrates mainly the mast cells eosinophils. Mechanism of reaction involves mast cells response to certain antigens. The release of pharmacological active ions because of the antigen antibody takes place and takes place on the mast cells. The influx of calcium is crucial for the process of anaphylaxis. So it also triggers the massive complement C4A, C3A, C5, etc. So immediate hypersensitivity reaction include how to test. To do the skin test and the development of erythema. And it's very important. Skin hypersensitivity test is done for the diagnosis of anaphylaxis. ELISA should demonstrate increase in IgE antibodies. Treatment is assured by antihistaminic and beta. You should be ready, always ready with adrenaline and steroids and immediately. Sometimes we have to give intracardiac, intravenous, subcutaneous. In the short terms, the constitution bronchodilators are used. Desensitization is attempted by small dose and challenging with a large dose. So these are the 5 questions that was asked in one of the deemed university in last year's examination. Thank you.